We're Alba Technique. We deal in emotion, helping you regulate, manage, control your emotional life, whether you're an actor, a therapist, person working in an office, a yoga teacher. Emotion affects all of us, right? So learning how to express ourselves and to manage our emotions is powerful for everyone in every walk of life. Alba is not an acting technique. It is something that is human and universal to every single person. The core technique of Alba Technique is based in Susanna Bloch's Alba effector patterns, and those are made up of breath, posture, and muscular tension in varying degrees. These 6 core human emotions, which are, in no particular order, anger, fear, sadness, joy, and 2 forms of love, tenderness and erotic. The effector patterns make up these core emotions, and so through a really specific but clear and accurate breath, a specific change in your posture, moment of relaxation or tension somewhere in your body that's unique to each of the 6 emotions, you will be able to produce on demand an emotion in your body that is repeatable and authentic every time that you need it. So come join us at Alba Technique. We have classes ranging for every walk of life and every need. A 1-hour session, 3-hour sessions, group classes, week-long intensives in Ireland where you can really dive deep, weekends where you can come, get what you need and leave. There is an option that we have for you.